Alright, so a lot of you guys ended up liking the last video. For this one, we're going to tackle down confidence and how it affects your voice and what you can do about it. Also, if you're interested in anything voice acting related or just want to chill and hang out, I stream on Twitch Thursday through Saturday, 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. PST, and I'm always willing to answer questions. Okay, so how does confidence play into how you speak? Well, from a voice actor's perspective, confidence can make or break your voice when acting out a script, so it's pretty important. And even with regular speaking in mind, you can easily tell if someone sounds nervous or not because it sounds like it, right? You hear it. Like, I could say, "Hey, you want to hang out later?" compared to, "Hey, you want to hang out later?" That's the difference confidence can make. But what can you do about it? So it's gonna sound pretty simple and pretty cliche, but it helps. You have to be confident in yourself. This means accepting your flaws, insecurities, and trying your best not to be so self-conscious about what others are thinking. And on top of that, you have to believe what you're saying, because if you don't, you won't sound like you do. Now, as much as I'd love to guide you on what you specifically need to do or change to feel more confident, I can only do so much. Because confidence is such a complex thing, I can only generalize this advice for all of you, since you know yourself better than I do. But either way, getting through this mental hurdle in your head is a big step towards not only improving your voice, but your life as a whole as well. And worst case, let's say you're struggling and finding it hard to do any of these. A trick you could do is fake it till you make it. Fake being this confident version of yourself and it'll eventually become real. Since basically you're just practicing over and over again. And the more you do this, the more you'll just get better at it. Now, that's all on the mental side of confidence. But what about physically? Now, aside from working out or doing activities you enjoy, a trick I was taught is being more expressive when saying or doing things. Like when you talk, try being more expressive with your face and body. Move your arms around or make facial expressions that match what you're feeling. The point of physically doing these things is to trick your brain into feeling more authentic, hence confidence. Now, all of this is just my way. In the end, I'm making these videos because I want you to feel comfortable not only with your voice, but with yourself. Plus, I feel that these can benefit a lot of VTubers and streamers who may not know much about how their voice works. Anyways, that's all I have for today. Take care, guys. Blah.